Offered here is an exceptionally rare 2011 Dodge Challenger Drag Pak, serial number 16 of only 70 produced, built by Mopar specifically for the drag strip. This rare piece includes the optional competition package, making it even more desirable among collectors and racers alike. This factory-built, purpose-engineered race car represents the pinnacle of Dodge's modern drag racing program. Power comes from the ZB2 Viper-based 8.4-liter V10 that was factory-rated at 650 horsepower and 560 pound-feet of torque. Power is sent to the rear wheels through a TCI 2-speed automatic transmission and a heavy-duty Dana 60 rear axle. The optional competition package further enhances performance and consistency, underscoring this car's factory-built race pedigree, and features include an 8-point roll cage, G-Force Racing 6-point harness, and a window mesh net. Finished in bright white with aggressive Mopar graphics, this Challenger Drag Pak showcases a menacing track-ready stance. Lightweight body panels, race-tuned suspension, and polished 15-inch Bogart 5-spoke wheels mounted with Hoosier white-letter racing slicks complete the package. Stopping power is provided by Strange Engineering disc brakes at each corner. The car has a one-piece drive shaft. The machine is fitted with racing-style open exhaust headers, and the fuel cell is located in the trunk. Also equipped with a hood pin secured vented hood, as well as fog lights, a front spoiler, polycarbonate windows, and a polished fuel cap. Inside the cabin is strictly business with a stripped, lightweight interior, factory-installed safety equipment, and race-specific instrumentation. Additional features include a TCI Automotive Outlaw shifter, a panel of auxiliary switches, and rear seat delete. The car is not equipped with side mirrors or windshield wipers. This drag pack was never street legal and is sold with a bill of sale only, reinforcing its exclusivity as a true Mopar race car. With ultra-limited production, documented serial numbering, and strong ties to Mopar's factory racing heritage, the 2011 Challenger Drag Pak with competition package remains one of the most sought-after modern Mopar drag cars ever produced. For more information, contact LRA today at 215-781-3790 or email us at sales@lrasales.com. That's sales@lrasales.com.